Hey everyone, just want to show you this Vario ND filter that I have. It's a Zomei Slim ND Vario 2 to 400 Vario ND 85 mm. So like for this Vario ND, actually I got sell the step down rings. So how to say? Let's say like this is 82 mm. I got sell a full set of I think 8 sizes. So you can step down to like 77, 72, 67, 62, 58, 55, 49. Yeah, all these sizes. So you can get one of these, then you can use on all your lenses. So, oh yeah, I can see my reflection. Okay, so what's a Vario ND is that when you actually use it, it will, how to say, you actually cut the light lah. You cut the light, see, you cut the light for you. So this is useful when actually when you do video, you want to maintain the specific frame rate and also the shutter speed. So that's when you need to have a Vario ND like this to adjust exposure for you. So and also it's useful for situations where you want to maintain the same aperture, but you want to adjust light at the same time. So this Vario ND will actually help you uh, have some control over the light lah. So you give your control like how much the light goes in. See, now we cannot see we can barely see the object behind the glass already. See, so this is the maximum, I think. So maximum. So it is width without width without. You can put on the I put on the camera. So now you can see the effect. See, so now I adjust the light. So the camera is actively compensating for the thing. So no matter what I turn, it actually will compensate until it can't lah. So see, now it can't. It's too dark. See. So I think because of the capabilities of this phone camera, that's why it's like that. But generally speaking, if you use it with a like a production camera or SLR, DSLR, then you can see like the full effects of it if you actually maintain the shutter. I think I can do some experimentation here. Okay, let me put the exposure to manual. Okay, let me put. Okay, now it's too. Let's say like now too bright. So now I put this glass and make it dark. See, I make it dark. So I can expose. So it's like now it's manual mode. So the camera is not doing any compensating. So I can adjust now. Let's say like now too bright, right? So let's say this is the setting I want. This is the like maybe this is the f1 aperture or what, and then I want to set at this particular frame rate or what. So I just put a Vario ND. So let's say like my Vario ND was totally 0. I mean like maybe like the beginning stops of the ND. Then I put it on the camera, and now I adjust to make it darker so that it will expose properly. See now. See now it exposes like more properly like compared to before. See. Let me put. This is too dark. Let me adjust. See. Now it exposed nicely. Then you see, without and with. See. So this Vario ND helps you to keep the settings you want and also get the exposure you want at the same time. So that is why it's useful. Okay, alright. Thanks everyone. Bye. Goodbye.